In today's video, I'll show you how to set reminders in Zoho Mail so you never miss an important email. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. Start by logging into your Zoho Mail account at mail.zoho.com. Once you're in, open the email you want to set a reminder for. At the top of the email, you'll see an alarm clock icon. That's your reminder tool. Click it to open the reminder options. Now you can choose when you'd like to be reminded. A few hours later, tomorrow, next week, or a custom date and time. Next, decide how you want to receive the reminder. You can get a pop-up notification for quick alerts or an email reminder if you prefer it in your inbox. Once everything is set, click Add Reminder to activate it. And just like that, your email is scheduled with a reminder. This feature is perfect for staying on top of important messages and tasks, especially when your inbox is busy. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Zoho Mail tips, and check out our other tutorials to boost your productivity.